Yo, what up, my green thumb homies? It's your boy Snoop D-O-double-G in the house, ready to drop some knowledge on y'all about the water game for our plant friends. Big shout out to my dude Juan for keeping it real and wanting to know what's up with the H2O in the plant world. Now, let me tell you about my homie Juan, keeping it real at the store, doing his plant shopping thing. So, he's strolling through the aisles, checking out the green scenery, deciding which plants he's gonna bring to the water balance party. Now, Juan ain't just picking any old plants. My man's got an eye for the exquisite. Unknowingly, he snagged some flamingo lily, the most bougie of ornamental perennial plants. You know, the kind that turns heads and makes other plants jealous. It's like the Rolls Royce of the plant kingdom, for real. But Juan ain't done yet. He ain't just swagging out with these fancy flamingo lilies. Nah, he pulls out his secret weapon, that handy-dandy picture this app on his phone. Now, picture this ain't your regular app. It's like having a plant expert in your pocket. Juan snaps a pic of his new leafy companions, and boom, the app drops knowledge like I drop rhymes. Turns out, those beauties are the flamingo lilies. And picture this breaks it down for Juan like he's a botanist. Now, my man Juan's got the 411 on his plants, and he's ready to dive deep into that water balance experiment. Now, let's get into this experiment, you dig? We got two plants up in here, and we're about to uncover why water balance is crucial for these leafy companions. Picture this, one of these plants is living that VIP hydration life, getting watered every week, like clockwork. Meanwhile, his partner in crime is on that every other week schedule, keeping us on our toes. We're about to see how these two different water routines affect their vibe and if they can keep it cool under pressure. It's like this, plants gotta keep that water flow on point, just like I keep my beats flowing in the studio. So, check it. There's this cool process called osmosis. Now, osmosis ain't some fancy word. It's just the way plants stay hydrated and keep their cool. Imagine your plant is like sipping on a water cocktail. It's all about that perfect mix, you feel me? Now, here's the science behind it in simple terms. Plants got these tiny straw-like things called xylem and phloem. Think of them as the plant's water highways. They transport water and nutrients up and down, making sure everything's running smooth, just like my flow on the mic. But hold up, if the water balance gets out of whack, it's trouble in paradise for our plant homies. Too much water. It's like they are drowning at the pool party. Not enough. It's like they are stuck in the desert without a drop to drink. Just like us, plants need that sweet spot. Not too much, not too little, just right. It's all about keeping that plant homeostasis, maintaining that chill vibe, So, when you mess with the plant's water balance, it's like throwing off their whole groove. They can't do their thing properly, and that's when problems start popping up. So, my advice to all you plant enthusiasts out there, keep that water game strong. Find that balance like you find the perfect beat. Your plants will be vibing, and you'll have a green paradise right in your own crib. After the experiment, here's how the two plants fared with their routines. Which routine do y'all think went better? Stay green, stay hydrated, and keep it real, yo.